Hello and welcome back. You're here with me, Courtney Crosby, and today I'm going to be showing you this regular nail polish that I got from Beauty Big Bang. I don't normally wear regular nail polish, but I saw it on their website and I just had to have it. It's a holographic purple. I got it from beautybigbang.com. They very kindly gave me a discount code for you guys. So if you want to go and check out their stuff, you can get 10% off by using my code COUE10. You'll find all my codes that I have available on my Instagram in my main profile. So I used it over 3 different colors. The first color that I want to show you is over pink. So you know when you're trying to get that holographic look over pink or over purple and you don't want the holo powder to take away the whole color, this is absolutely perfect because if you do one coat, you can still see the color underneath. So I painted this with regular nail varnish. I'm just going to go in and do one coat of the holo purple. And it is so, so beautiful. I just love it. I don't even know if the camera is picking this up, but I absolutely am in love with this polish. Let's do it over the purple. On my nails I have it, but it's just 4 coats of the polish on itself. So you can just use it by itself as well, which is really nice. So over the purple. How beautiful is that? Oh my God. I love it. Oh, I missed a spot. Let me get that. Oh, I love it. Right. You go and sit there. And over just a light purple. So this is kind of the same color as the polish. So when you do this, it's sort of like doing 4 layers of the polish itself. I think it looks similar to my fingernails that I have 4 layers of the holo purple on. Isn't it gorgeous? I love it so much. I just had to share it with you guys. So that's the polish that I got. I'd love to see, if you try this, if you buy it and you try it over different colors, I would love to see it. I also got these gems that are just stunning as well. I put some of them on my fingernails earlier. Very nice. I don't know if they're made of plastic or glass, but they're very, very sparkly. So they're going to do a great job. I'm excited to use these on clients when I get back to England, because if you didn't know, I'm moving back to England in 72 days, I think. So that's very exciting. You're going to see me actually do real people's nails. I also got this from their website. It's like a gold flake. So I'm going to try that, but I'll do a different video with that. And I have this silver holo powder that's not been opened yet. Let me get a thing. So that's very cool as well. I think it's like a holo chrome. I assume it will have the same effect as the nail polish that I used. So I'll do a different video to show you these products. But for now, if you want to wow your clients, you can use this holo nail polish on its own, or you can use it over top of a gel polish. It dries so quickly. Look, it's dry already. And you could totally just put a gel top coat over this and you'd be good to go. So go and check it out if you want. You can use my discount code. I don't get anything if you use my discount code, but of course the companies like it when you do, because then it shows that you're watching my videos and you like the stuff that I'm bringing you. So thanks for watching. Have a lovely day and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.